Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about Python dictionaries in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. So first of all, we will understand what is a dictionary in Python. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs, and it is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. Python dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. Now what I will do is I will go to Power Automate Desktop, and under the scripting category I will choose one Python script, and from here I will create a dictionary. So let's say I will name this dictionary as this dict, then equals to, then I will specify curly bracket, hit enter, and now I will specify the key and value pair. So here let's say brand, then colon, then I will write Ford, comma, then again I will specify the key in double quotes, then colon, then I will name it as Mustang, comma, then here I will specify year, colon, 1964. Right? So this is how you will specify the dictionary. Now I will print it. So I will use print function of the Python, and here I will just pass this dictionary variable, and then I will click on save and run the bot. Here you can see that this dictionary has been created with key value and pair. You notice one thing here, that the order of the key value pair is not the same the way we have specified in the dictionary variable, right? If you want to access the value from this dictionary, so you can just specify the key in the square bracket with the name of the key. So let's say if I want to access model, so I will just specify model in double quotes and then click on save and then run the bot. You will see that I will get the value as Mustang. So what do you mean by ordered and unordered? When we say that dictionaries are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. Unordered means that the items do not have a defined order. You cannot refer to an item by using an index. As we mentioned earlier that the dictionaries in Python are changeable. Dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add, or remove items from the dictionary after it has been created. Another important aspect that we need to keep in mind, that dictionary will not allow you to have duplicate keys. Consider that you cannot give one more key, which is year, with different value. So it will generate an error. So if I will click on save and run it, you can see that error has been generated, but you did not saw it because this property is disabled. Now if I will run it, you will see that an error will be reported. If you want to get the length of the dictionary, you can use the length function. So first of all, I will open it, I will remove this key, and then I will use len function to get the length of the dictionary. I will click on save and then run the bot. You can see that it is 3, which means inside that we have 3 property, right? If you want to get the data type, you can just use type function instead of len. I will remove this len and then type and then click on run. Here you can see that type is dict. You can also create a dictionary using the dict constructor of Python. So first of all, what I will do is I will remove this and then I will use dict which is the constructor. In the bracket I will specify, let's say, name equals to John, comma, age equals to 37, comma, country equals to, let's say, Australia, and then I will remove this function which is type, and then click on save and run the code. You can see the dictionary variable has been created. So this is how you can use the dictionary in Python in Power Automate Desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.